Right, here we have the Mark II version of a Bradshaw Buggy wheelchair conversion. This was made using donor parts from a wheelchair which had relatively large 12.5-inch diameter driving wheels. Consequently, the output at the gearbox is at a lower RPM than the output from the gearboxes on the first conversion. This means that the converted buggy would have driven a lot slower if I'd used the same diameter for the main friction wheels. Consequently, I've had to go up in diameter on the main driving wheels. Now, the implication of that was that I had less room to fit the wheels and the gearbox, etc. However, I was partly saved by the fact that this Bradshaw buggy itself is something like 10-15% bigger than the first one that was used to do the conversion. The additional constraint with this one was because the end user isn't a below-the-knee double amputee as the first user was. They need somewhere to rest their legs and feet, so I couldn't use the footrest at the front as the battery platform. So consequently, I've had to put the batteries underneath the seat. Again, very tight, but as you can see, they do fit, because fortunately the main buggy itself is that much bigger. Other than that, the principles are pretty much the same. The controller is off of the donor wheelchair. Motors and gearboxes are off the donor wheelchair. And fortunately on this one, I've been able to make use of the gearbox neutral levers, which by operating these levers here, put the wheelchair motor into neutral, which then allows you to push the buggy manually. In the position now shown, they're in the drive position. Other than that, it's pretty much the same as the previous one. So I should now just demonstrate a little bit of driving around. Okay, exactly the same as before. Joystick on the side here controls speed and direction, forwards, reverse. The clicking noise you can hear is the brake going on, so that when I'm not driving, the wheelchair doesn't move, which enables the bowler to deliver the bowl without the wheelchair attempting to go backwards. Disengage the power. Power is off, the wheelchair is still locked because the gearboxes are in drive position. Turn the gearbox levers to neutral, and now you can just wheel the wheelchair as before. So that concludes this short video. Don't know whether we got all that, but there we go.